We divide 457 by 5 in a log division method. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 7 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So 457 divided by 5 is 91.4. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.